Morning everybody, I hope you're all well. Welcome to the channel. Right, today's review is going to be a bit of a different one. A company reached out to me and asked me if I'd do a product review for them. So they've kindly sent me some products over. So thank you iteaworld for sending me them. iteaworld is an authentic Chinese tea company. They specialise in Chinese tea, and they've been working to become the preferred platform for tea lovers all over the world, where you can learn Chinese tea from scratch or learn Chinese tea knowledge and culture. You can first learn about Chinese tea and try it at a low cost and finally find your favourite one. So come on over and we'll have a look what they've sent us. Oh yeah, before we start, I'd just like to say I'm going to put some information across here from their website. Like I said, their website is it's got so much information on there, whether you're learning Chinese tea from scratch, whether you love Chinese tea and you want to learn about their culture. There is so much information. So, and they're also big on sustainability. There is no chemicals, no pesticides, no additives in any of their teas. It is all authentic and organic. So like I said, come on over and we'll open it up together. Right, I've just opened the box up. So, and they've also sent me some extra samples. So that's really kind of them. And I'd like to also say that on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Reddit and TikTok. So let's open it up. So we have some oolong tea, some jasmine green tea, some black tea and some rose black tea. So thank you for sending me some extra samples as well. So here's what it looks like in the box. So I'm just going to tip it out because of my address on the back. So there you go. Look, it's all nicely wrapped. How lovely is that? That looks really nice, doesn't it? It comes lovely and wrapped up. So we're going to open it together. So I can't wait to open this and have a try. I've never tried Chinese tea before. Excuse the rustling. Oh, and that's good. They've got scan the code to learn more. So that's really good as well. And like I said, there's all the social media websites that they're on. Oh, what a lovely box. It's all embossed with Chinese writing. That's lovely, that is. Can you all see that? That's lovely. And we've got a bit of information on the back. Shelf life, you've got 24 months shelf life. The brand is called iteaworld. So yeah, let's open it up and have a look. I love the box. It's got embossed Chinese writing on it. I think that's really nice touch as well. So I think it just pushes out, I think. But you all know what I'm like at opening boxes. I don't want to rip it. Oh, look at that. I really like their packaging. It's really good quality. Very good quality. Tasting the tea, living the harmony. So it's got a little open tab there. So I'll try and get that up. I'm so sorry, I'm all fingers and thumbs today. I don't want to break anything. Oh, look, that's lovely. It just opens up like that. So that's good because you could keep your teas in there, couldn't you? All separate away from stuff. So there's all the teas that are sent me. Gosh, there's loads in there. There's absolutely loads. We'll have to have a look through them and we'll have to pick some out and try some. But I just noticed on top that they send you a little booklet. So we'll have a look through the booklet together. That's the brand introduction and the brand history, which I think is a really, really nice touch. Oh, it opens wide out. It opens all the way out. So I'll just go across slowly. Environmental. Yes, they're very big in environmental. Sorry, I couldn't get my words out then. And like I said, there's all the social media websites that they're on. So our tea regions. Jasmine black tea, Feng Hong. I'm so sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Black tea, white pony tea, and Johnson silver needle tree. And it's got there where they all come from. 6 classic Chinese teas. And it also gives you all the instructions how to brew them, because they call it steep. We brew our tea, they call it steep. So, oh, and you can also cold brew method, so you don't always have to have it hot. So that's good as well. I hope you can all see that. There's the cold brew tea method and the instructions. I think that's a really nice touch. It really is. It's a really nice touch. So there's another envelope here, and this says tea bags, because of course it's all loose tea inside. So they've also sent me some tea bags, and I did read on their website that they're cornstarch tea bags. So like I said, they're big in sustainability and environmental. So yeah, we're going to have a look inside the box. Oh, I'll show you these tea bags first. Sorry, we'll get a couple out to have a look. And that's good, because not everybody's got a tea strainer, have they? So that's a really nice thought and touch as well. I'm really impressed so far. The thought and detail that's gone into the packaging and the presentation is just unreal. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. So I'm going to put them up there, and I'm going to put the information there, because we'll probably have to come back to the information in a minute. And we've got all these. That's a oolong tea. We've got a ripe pura tea, a dark tea, shall I just say. We've got, oh, that's all the same on that one. So we've got 2 or 3 samples of the same in one section. So I'll get this one out. That's silver needle yellow tea, that one is. And then we've got another one. Put that one in. Take this one out. This one's a white pony tea. That one's a white pony tea. That one's a green tea. And this one is a black tea. High mountain tea. So I'm going to go and put the kettle on. I'm going to have a read of the instructions, and I'm going to go and put the kettle on, and I'll bring you all back in a bit. Right, I've chosen 3 teas to try. I've chose a rose black tea, fruit and herbal tea, high mountain tree it says, and on the back it's got the information of what you need to do. And then for my second choice, I've chose oolong tea. And then for my third one, I'm going to go for a dark tea, a high mountain tree. And again, it's got the instructions on the back. So this is my little setup. If you're wondering where I got my teapot from and my cups, I got the teapot and the little cups from Amazon for £10. And this was from Morrison's. My glass was £2 and the strainer was £1, I think. So I've boiled the kettle, and the first one we're going to try is the rose black tea. So let me go and get my kettle, and we'll get it all set up and we'll have a try. Right, we're going to start with rose black tea. So we're going to open it up and have a look and have a smell. It's really good, strong packaging as well, and it's all recyclable. Oh, look at that. Sorry, can you see that? Can you see in there? Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells very, very earthy. I can't wait to have a try. So like I said, I've boiled my kettle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and follow the instructions as best as I can. So I'm going to get maybe a teaspoon, because there's only me that's going to be trying it anyway. So I'm going to get a teaspoon. I'm going to put it in my clay pot. So we'll add some water and we'll let it brew for a bit. Well, we call it brewing, they call it steeping. And according to this, black tea down here needs to brew for 10 to 20 seconds. And the number of brews you get out are 5 to 7 times. Number of brewing time, tea vessel, tea water to ratio, water temperature, and of course what tea you're trying. So I find that really helpful because, like I said, I've never ever made or tried Chinese tea before. So I think that's about right, isn't it? Can you see? Oh, very hot. Hot, hot, hot. So I'm going to pour some into this glass as well. Hopefully, don't tip it everywhere. I'm going to bring you a bit closer because we'll be able to see the colour then as well, won't we? Oh, I'm only going to put a bit in. I'm not going to use it all up. As you can see, a lovely amber colour. Let me smell. Oh, that smells so fruity. I can smell the fruit in that. And that's what it looks like in one of them little Chinese cup pots. I'm not too sure of the name, so I'm not going to pronounce it. So here's the rose black tea, the fruity one. It's a lovely amber colour and I can smell like fruit. It smells lovely. So I'm going to have a try. I've not added no sugar. I'm just going to try them as they are. And I've never tried Chinese tea before, so this is a first for me. Oh, that's lovely. That's so refreshing. I can taste the fruit afterwards. It's got like a really nice, clean, fresh taste, if you get what I mean. That's lovely. I'm really enjoying this one. This is really nice. For the first time me trying it, it's really, really nice. And they also say that Chinese tea does have some health benefits as well, with stomach problems and other sort of illnesses as well. So we have one more sip. Do you know what? I really like that. It's really refreshing, and that would be nice cold brewed as well. Really nice cold brewed in the summer for a nice cold drink. It's come out the fridge. That would be lovely, that would. I really enjoyed that. That was really nice. Nice, fresh, fruity flavours. Lovely. Right, we're on to our next one now. Right, next we're going to try oolong tea. Right, it's been about 20 seconds now. So I'm going to pour this one. I'm going to do the same again. And then I'm going to pour some in the glass one so we can see. And can you see? That's got a lovely, like, clear yellow colour to it, hasn't it? So we're going to have a try of this one. Oolong tea. The colour's so lovely, and that's like a pale, like, yellowy colour. Yeah, it smells woody. Like a burned, smoky smell. I'm going to taste now. Oh yeah. Oh, you can taste it. That's very strong. It's like a, when you put it up to your nose to put it in your mouth, it tastes like a sweet taste, but then it goes into a smoky taste. Yeah, really smoky taste. I'm going to have one more try. It's nice, but I do really prefer the rose fruit tea. That is nice though. I'll have one more try. It's weird how it goes like sweet and then like smoky. I quite like that one actually. But I find the other one very refreshing. This one's more, I can't explain, more like it hasn't got that refreshed that refreshed taste to it. This is more like a smoky taste. So we're going to try the next one. So we're going to do the dark tea, the one at the bottom. So it says put it in a clay teapot for 10 to 20 seconds, and that brews 5 to 7 times. So we're going to open this one up again. We're going to open this one up this time. And this is the dark tea. Oh, look at that one. That smells lovely. That does. Smells really like earthy. So I'm gonna put a teaspoon in again, because I don't want to over waste it or anything. Just a bit more in. There we go. And we will steep brew for 10 to 20 seconds. Right, we're going to pour it now. Oh, look at that one. Let's pour this one in. Oh, look at the colour of that one. Oh, that's lovely. Got a little bit of a leaf in there, but it doesn't matter. Can you see the colour of that one? Oh, that's a lovely colour, isn't it? It's like a rose amber colour. Don't get much smell off this one. I can't really smell like I could the other ones. We're going to have a taste though. Oh, I'm not sure about this one. Let me have another try. I can't explain the flavour. It's like a really deep depth flavour. Like a wood flavour. That's the best way I can describe it, like a really deep wood flavour, very dense flavour. It's refreshing though. I do find them really refreshing. I am quite surprised that they are quite refreshing. It's quite nice actually. Now I've had a few sips, you can still taste that wood flavour. Very nice. Right, my final thoughts on iteaworld. It's absolutely amazing. The packaging is so nice. It's really well thought of. This is a tea sampler that they sent me. They've got them on their website as well. And like I said, I preferred and I really enjoyed the rose black tea. I thought that was really nice, really nice and refreshing. And you don't have to have them hot, you can have them cold brewed as well. And like I said, iteaworld, they have so much information, whether you're a beginner in Chinese tea or whether you really enjoy your Chinese tea. Go over and have a look, check them out. It's a brilliant website, so informative. And thank you so very much for giving me the opportunity to try your product out. I really enjoyed it. I like the fact that they think of the environment as well. Like all environmental friendly packaging can be recycled. Cornstarch, tea bags as well, which was a nice little gift inside as well, because not always, you haven't always got a tea strainer, have you? So that was a really nice touch as well. I just thought the packaging, the detailing, everything was outstanding. So yeah, I recommend iteaworld. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you all later. Bye.